Go ahead and open up for me. Now close nice and slow. Yep. So right at the very end, you can actually see the jaw kind of do this little number, okay? I know. You can do it. Ooh, you can do it. Think of the beach. Margaritas. Your kiddo playing in the sand, eating it.
Oh, she's so cute.
Picking it up on you. So if we are using audio for this video, she's basically feeling like someone's stabbing an ice pick up through her jaw right now. And she's being very brave. Olivia would be so proud of you. Deep breath. Okay, open up your mouth for me. Nice and slow. Good. Okay, it's not going to be as much on this side. Yeah, much better. You got one spot right here, okay? We don't have to go the whole way up. When's that dentist appointment?
I didn't make one. I'm all sweaty because I'm in pain.
It doesn't tickle. Nothing about it tickles. Go ahead and open for me. It's neat because you can actually feel it like reverberate on this side when you adjust it over here, which is really cool, right?
What does reverberate?
You can actually feel the adjustment on the other side, which is really cool. Okay, so we're going to do the fun part. And you're going to do amazing.
You're doing great.
I know that I need this, so...
And so all you need to do is like tap out, right? So if you tap your leg, I'm going to know that that's too much for you. You're not going to get there, okay? But if you need to do that and just slow down and stop, it's totally fine, okay? I promise. Okay, go ahead and open up for me. We're just going to go right up to the TMJ. Ooh. You're doing awesome. We're almost done with this side already. Jeez. You're killing it. Last part. Let your jaw relax a little bit. There we go. Killing it. Ooh. killing it. Now we're gonna adjust the upper cervical spine. You are done.
Yeah.
You are done with that part, okay? I'm just gonna get you adjusted. You're gonna go find some more deodorant. Nice and loose here. Here we go.